Hey guys, Bailey here. I'm back. Now, I'm gonna jump straight into it. There's no dilly-dallying right now. I'm walking there. I'm here by myself, just at work, and hopefully, just a little bit of luck, a lot of skill that I don't have, I'll catch a fish. All right, let's get it.
When I die, when I realize it's gone, I'm broken hearted at the break of dawn. Diamond eyes, cartoon skies, I know I'm broken hearted at the break of dawn. Everything happens fast.
Let me put my Crocs into sports mode. I use this lure a lot. I mean, every video that I've done that you've watched, I've used it. So, if there's any other lures out there that you want me to use, I mean, I'll gladly. Yeah, I know I use this lure a lot, but if there's any lures that you want me to use, chuck it in the comments below. I'll be happy to look into them and use them. I mean, I'm always in the market for new lures. Who isn't? Everyone loves a new lure. It's like Christmas. The glare might be horrible for you guys, and I apologize if that is the case. Well, I'm going to go way tighter than that as well. You can sort of hear the cicadas now, but I mean, it's been pretty cloudy all day until about now. So the cicadas haven't been really active today, so I don't think bass would be in the market for it right now. I think we'll move up. Don't want to spend too long in one spot. You've got a whole river, so you may as well just keep going. We'll start off down here. All right. Nothing's in our way. Look how calm the water looks on top. Don't know if it's that calm underneath. But guys, summer is over in Australia. It's the time of filming. It's about I don't know the date. It's one of the first couple of days of March. Meaning it is now officially autumn. Still feels like summer. Holy moly, it's hot. The humidity is insane. But before we know it, it's gonna be winter. Now winter, we're planning to do some trips up towards the mountains, up Lithgow way, and do some trout fishing, some winter trout fishing. We went there last year. Not last year. Oh, I don't remember. We went there before. Fortunately, the only thing I caught was a hook in my hand. Other than that, didn't catch anything. A lot of bites though. But yeah, we'll go up and do that. Bring you guys along, of course. That should be fun. Oh, check out all those. That's cool. Little tadpoles. I think they're tadpoles. All right, we'll move up.
Everything happens fast. Look up, kid, it's worth it, I know. I'm broken hearted at the break of dawn. When I die, I hope all you feel is love. I'm broken hearted at the break of dawn. Broken hearted at the break of dawn. Broken hearted at the break of dawn. Everything happens fast. Everything happens fast. Everything happens fast. Everything happens fast.
For a second. And off we go. Got some. Let's sink. Should be that in. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it. No fish, it's hot, GoPro's overheating. Whew. Too many things going wrong. It's time to end it. No fish, classic. But you know what? It's sort of become a custom now on this channel, isn't it? Where there's gonna be no fish. So, you know, this is everyone that you watch that fishes happens to them all the time, you know? They just don't show it or post it. But you know what? That's not what we do here. We're raw. We like to post everything that we do. So the average fisherman like you guys, like me, we know the struggles, and we can all relate to it, can't we? But anyway guys, I'm gonna end it here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite lure. What lure should I use next? Come on guys. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. See you later, gang. Raw.